Today I'm going to show you how to open a Toyota key fob. I have a Toyota key fob right here, and you may need to open it in order to access the battery to change it. Now to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to take the fob and you're going to go up to the top of it, and this is where the key is inserted in here, the actual key to the fob. And what you're going to do is you're going to see a slot right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer so you can see this. Now this slot is actually a switch, and it has an arrow pointing in that direction. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this switch, pull it in that direction, and I'm going to remove the key that is inside of the fob. Now that I've done that, I'll take a butter knife right here, or something similar, maybe a thin screwdriver. And there is a slot in there. I don't know if you can see that. Perhaps I can get a little closer so you can see that. There is a slot, and what you're going to do is you're going to take the butter knife and slide it inside of the slot and then twist it that way. And the Toyota key fob opens up and you're able to access it and perhaps change the battery. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.